Hello and welcome. I'm Kaspar Roos. I'm the founder and CEO of Aspire. This is the second video in a 4-part series sponsored by MHC. You'll find them online at mhcsautomation.com. Last time we closed by observing that enterprise initiatives to digitally transform communications are tied to efforts to improve customer experience, boost retention, and ultimately maximize a customer's lifetime value. But there's a problem. Our consumer research shows that Gen Z and Millennials, which we define as consumers aged 18 to 40, were in every case the most likely to have taken steps toward digital adoption for the first time, for example, at the beginning of the coronavirus pandemic. But these same consumers were the least likely to positively rate those digital experiences and the least likely to report that they plan to continue to interact with the providers in this way. That tell us that digital communications don't yet really embrace the true interaction that young consumers expect or that digital platforms make possible. A desire for interaction and seamless experience is at the root of their dissatisfaction with the digital status quo. For many businesses, digitization of customer communications amounts to transforming a static print document into PDF and password protecting it behind an email link, putting it on a portal, for example. But they haven't really given thought to how it might look on a mobile device or the hoops customers have to jump through to access it. Other organizations might redesign a printed document in HTML, but fail to take advantage of any of the medium's advanced capabilities. So this graphic here shows that digital communications today are often designed to merely mimic print. Even though 84% of enterprises reported that they have or are planning to migrate legacy communications to modern platform, historically many are not truly giving customers a better way to engage. And in order to successfully transform their communications, there are a couple of things that enterprises need to do. So first of all, enterprises must create a competitive differentiation strategy. They need to think through how to meet consumer expectations and provide superior experience in the digital realm that will improve perception of the brand. Then secondly, they need to have access to cloud-based software with instant updates, plug-and-play connectivity. New investment must be simple. So they can integrate into the wider CX ecosystem that's out there or get access to best-in-class technologies. And next, these solutions should enable employees to manage communication through browser-based software, giving business users and customer-facing personnel the tools they need to compose, deliver, and track communications while working remotely. And this will improve customer experience and employee satisfaction, something that's really important in this day and age. So these flexible solutions should also be easy to customize, allowing organizations to quickly adapt to a rapidly evolving market. Modern cloud workflow empowers businesses to plug in new channels, comply with changing regulations, or adjust to customer demands. And finally, automation, really important. Automation can standardize and expedite transactions, saving time, helping employees to maximize the potential of every customer touchpoint. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Join me next time in the video where we'll pick it up right here to talk about making the most of every customer interaction. Thanks so much. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.